In front of me is Motorola Moto G05, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and select files. Now tap on audio one at the top and select it from here by clicking on it. You can also look for it in one of those apps or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, just click on it and wait. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead of Files and click on your video here. Or tap on folders, look for it here and tap on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!